Welcome to Part 98 of Daily English. Today's situation. Everyday problems asking for refunds. I'd like to request a refund. Example. I'd like to request a refund for this item. The product is defective. Example. The product is defective, so I can't use it. I'm not satisfied with it. Example. I'm not satisfied with it because it doesn't work. Can I get my money back? Example. Can I get my money back if it's defective? What's your refund policy? Example. What's your refund policy for damaged products? We'll review your request. Example. We'll review your request as soon as possible. Your refund will be processed. Example. Your refund will be processed within a few days. The money will be returned to your account. Example. The money will be returned to your account soon. Thank you for your patience. Example. Thank you for your patience while we process your refund. Mini conversation. Customer, I'd like to request a refund. The product is defective. Staff, I'm sorry to hear that. We'll review your request. Customer, can I get my money back? Staff, yes. Your refund will be processed, and the money will be returned to your account. Customer, thank you for your help. Daily tip. When asking for a refund, explain the problem calmly and politely. Ask about the store's refund policy and keep your receipt or proof of purchase. Clear communication makes the process easier for everyone. Speaking challenge. Imagine you bought a defective product online. Contact customer service, explain why you're not satisfied, ask if you can get your money back, ask about the refund policy, and finish the conversation using at least 5 sentences. Subscribe for Part 99. Continue learning English with Avetra edu.